The yield line theory. Interactive calculator determines the ultimate load capacity and required moment capacity for various slab configurations using yield line analysis. Let's look at the inputs. First, we select our calculation mode from 6 options. Rectangular slab simply supported find ultimate load. Rectangular slab simply supported find required moment capacity. And rectangular slab fixed edges find ultimate load. Square slab concentrated load find ultimate load. Triangular slab find ultimate load. And circular slab simply supported find ultimate load. For this demonstration, I'm using rectangular slab simply supported find ultimate load. Now we enter our parameters. Length Lx is 6.0 meters. Width Li is 4.0 meters. Positive moment capacity MP is 25.0 kilonewton meters per meter. Negative moment capacity Mn is 35.0 kilonewton meters per meter. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The ultimate load capacity is 5.113 kilonewtons per square meter. The yield line pattern shows diagonal yield lines from corners to center. Critical rotation is 0.923077 radians per meter. The slab configuration confirms simply supported on all edges. The safety status indicates review required, meaning our ultimate load capacity of 5.13 is less than typical design requirements. This tool quickly validates your yield line analysis for preliminary slab design. Find the link in the description below.